How's it going, YouTube? It's your boy Rubber Ducky, and in this video we're going to go over the image ads that we use to generate thousands of dollars in revenue and net profit. We're going to dive into my computer. I'm going to show you good images to use, bad images to use, so hang tight. And at the end we're going to give away a product that you're going to be able to test, run, and make some money that is proven. So it's going to be handed to you for free. Also, make sure that you check out the link in the description to join our Discord. We're just building up the community right now, so this is a perfect opportunity for you to get in and check out the content and the different strategies that we use. All right, without further ado, let's dive into my computer. All right, guys, so now that we've dove into my computer, I'm going to go through and explain what a good picture looks like and what a bad picture looks like. So the strategy that we use, we run image ads, and we use the AliExpress ads. Now, we do tweak them a little bit, and you can find out a lot more about our strategy in our Discord server. That's for a whole other day. But I want to show you what a good image and a bad image looks like. So we're going to use this cotton shirt as an example. Most of you would think white background, it shows the shirt, there's a guy, he's got muscles, we're good to go. This is not a good example. Now, we're just focusing on the photo. You can tell this it's been photoshopped on and off the person. Not something that you want to use. Okay, now when you're going down here too, look how pixelated it is. You can't tell detail when it comes to the actual material, and that's what most people are going to look for. Okay, so not a product I would test, not an image I would use. Now this one right here, on the other hand, this is a decent photo. Why? We've got lifestyle, it's contrast right to the background, it stands out, right? You can tell. And he's trying it on with different things, showing different outfits. Okay, and then you've got a nice up close, shows that it's denim, and then you can see the phone to show off the pocket. So this is definitely one that we find that this is an image that we would use. This is a model image. Look at this up close photo. You can see the buttons. Everything is great. Moving on, this one here is another type of photo that you'll find that you may think, I call these trickies, okay, because you might think that this is a good photo, but it's not. This was taken from a cell phone, not necessarily something you want your brand to represent. So I would not use this image for this product, none whatsoever. On the other hand, we have this linen shirt. You'll find like any kind of photos that have a nice neutral background are good, that allow the product to stand out. You really want to work with contrast, okay? So this is like a green shirt on a gray background. It's going to stand out, okay? Now, once we scroll down here, once we scroll down here and we look through, you can see, bada bing, very nice photos. The up close ones are great. You can tell this is linen from just looking at the photo. And remember, people are a lot more visual than they are going to be reading. Now, this here, also a good photo. Why? Because you can tell that it's linen again, right? So you've got different backgrounds. This contrasts, pops out, stands out. That's kind of what you're looking for. You're looking for that scroll stopper, right? As people are scrolling through Facebook and they're getting there, you want to be able to have them stop. So these are good images that are going to show that it's lightweight, it's breathable, and the whole kit, right? So we just wanted to put this quick little video together for you to show you the different types of images that we use. And we literally only run image ads on Facebook, and we've been able to generate the $170,000 in Q4 that we did with our store called Mail Emporio. So if you guys want more insight on how we do our strategy, how we build our stores, you want access to Mail Emporio, you got to join our Discord server, which is a community that we're trying to build up. So without further ado, now we're going to dive in and we're going to give away a product that we want you guys to start testing right away, something that we would test. So we're going to be diving into that product. All right, guys, so here it is. The product that we recommend is this beautiful high-end embroidery shirt. It's got the word Paris on it. So this you can easily brand. You can call it the Paris. You give it a name. You want to talk about how breathable, how cotton, how high quality it is. But remember, people want to buy how they feel. Okay, so they're going to feel high end, they're going to feel luxurious. So you want to use keywords like that. The reason why we would test this product is because the sizes go up to 5XL. so you can offer 3 extra large, right? So you want to talk about plus size. The images contrast themselves, especially this one, right? You've got a gray light background, the white is showing, the red tag pops out, and then you've got the black, which also can show on the light gray background. Now, when you go down here, we know that the material is cotton, is beautiful. We can definitely advertise this as cotton. And then you've got some nice images here that are up close, personal, love it. It's 2024, it's new. Look at these up close photos. You really want to get creative with Canva and get rid of all this text using the magic eraser, but you can do it because I've done it. And this shows the stitching, the hemming, everything. I would take this product, run it by a supplier. You should be able to shave this price down to about $20. And then I would offer this for $39.99 plus $6.99 shipping and $3.99 shipping protection. Okay, that's exactly how I would run this product, and I would test it with the following interests: Calvin Klein, t-shirts, and clothing. Those are the 3 interests that I would use. Anyway, if you want more tips, more tricks, dive into our Discord server, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day, YouTube.